Welcome to Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we're going to do battle bots. It came in a BattleBot Slam Combat set. That's the only place you can get these two. Buzzsaw on the back and arrow on the front. These are BattleBots. They come on 440x2 narrow pan. And this one here is a narrow pan. They're both narrow. Let's bring it right here, check them out. Yes, sir, this is BattleBot 1. It's got a hydraulic clamp on the front and a buzzsaw on the back. Yes, it's missing color on it. It's made that way. It's made to look broken in, made to look like it's beat up, and it's made to look like it's been run hard and put away wet. This is the same way. Chrome's missing off everything. But yeah, like I said, it's supposed to be this way. Yeah. Pretty cool cars. Let's throw them on a dyno, see how they do. This thing looks like it's backwards. The saw goes on the back. $250. $260. Yeah, we got $260. And we'll put this one here on the dyno and let it run while I clean up this other one and load it all up. Ooh, that's way faster. Ooh, 3. Wow. A little nose on this body. Number 1 only. Kind of hard to get it off all these nooks and crannies on this thing. Well, get a Q-tip out. Up here. Take this bad boy apart. And number 1 has a really good mesh on it. The rear crown and pinion gear mesh on it is really good. And these things are supposed to look all beat up.
Got 275 out of it. Wow. Yeah, that thing screams there. I'm just cleaning up a little plastic plate that covers up the motor. This one right here. That's about 3. Haven't done a 440 in a while. Not while with these plates on it anyway. Too bad. Well, thinking about took a shit, huh? Alright, let me get this other plate on here. We'll take these bad boys over to the track and see how they do. Well, golly. Could you be a bigger pain in the butt? There we go. Looks like there was something right here. Let's see if it says something. No. But yeah, they're pretty cool. BattleBot number 1 and BattleBot number 2. I watched the BattleBots about 3 or 4 shows, and I've seen everything, and there's nothing left to see. Yeah, it's interesting the first couple times you watch it, but it gets boring real quick, and it wore itself out after about 3 or 4 of them. Alright, let's take these bad boys over to the track and we'll take them for a little test drive. Alright. No, that's backwards. Well, are you serious? That's pretty darn nice. Yeah. Let's try this bad boy. As you know, this one here is about 40.40 faster than the other. Maybe 0.5 or 6 when it first starts off. Sounds like it's got a different kind of a motor in it. I'm not sure if I put these in or if they came in there like that. Yeah, this one here screams. Yeah, it hugs good too. Yeah, I think I raced somebody with this car right here. Wow. Yeah, this thing moves. This thing moves. Alright, what did I do to this is over here? BattleBots. We're going to look these bad boys up in the book. Just happened to turn to the right page. 65. There they are right there. Number 1 and number 2 BattleBot. Looks like they got dark wheels on them, not white wheels like I have on them. So maybe they came that way, or maybe they came incorrectly. Maybe somebody put these ones on there. I'm not sure. He doesn't have the. He's got the right color wheels: gray, silver, red. You know, he's got some that are chrome. These two here are chrome, but white ones. But occasionally it does have the wrong color on because I actually have factory cars. Most of them are. But we'll come down here to the bottom. BattleBot 1, BattleBot 2, set only, 02 only, made 1 year. Dark red with buzzsaw, that's number 1, and yellow with the arrow rod is number 2. They came in a set 91547 and BattleBot Slam Combat set. So there you have it, BattleBot Slam Combat set. Yeah. So yeah, pretty cool set. Thought I'd do both of them instead of just doing one. Might as well do them both, get it done and over with. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. BattleBot number 1. BattleBot number 2. Number 2 definitely is faster. Yeah, I'm not sure why.
The motor sounds different. I would say it's different. It looks exactly the same as this one here. So I don't know. I'll have to ohm them out. Check it out. It's probably a different ohm motor. So yeah. Hope you guys like that. If you're not subscribed, please hit it. Hit the bell. Hit the thumbs up. Yeah, get notified. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a message. And leave me a comment about those cars if you have them. If you don't, if you've never seen them before, if you think they're pretty cool, hit the bell. And yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think of those things. Appreciate you guys coming in and checking it out. Checking out the show. Today is Tuesday. And yeah, that's why I'm late getting on. I had to go to the VA today. And yes, I'm a veteran. I'm also a Buckeye fan. Buckeyes kick ass. Yes, sir. And I will catch you guys Friday. Later.